Conquer the devil within by nurturing the angelic virtues that reside in your heart. To control the devil within, master the art of self-awareness and choose kindness as your armor. Transform the devil within into a force for good by understanding its origins and embracing self-compassion. Tame the devil inside through the power of resilience, turning challenges into stepping stones toward personal growth. Overcome the devil within by cultivating a garden of positivity within your mind and soul. Control the devil within by feeding the flames of your inner light, igniting the path to inner peace. Harness the power of forgiveness to disarm the devil within, freeing yourself from the chains of resentment. Confront the devil within with courage, knowing that your strength lies in acknowledging and transforming it. Embrace empathy to quell the flames of the devil within, for understanding extinguishes the fire of negativity. The devil within bows to the authority of mindfulness. Master your thoughts, and you master the demon.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel.